Okay, guys, I'm in Trepetto. It's a pizza shop, restaurant. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this was a place where they used to make olive oil, which I'll show you in a minute. These are the steps to the upstairs seating, which is quite limited, but just to give you an idea how beautiful this place is. It is gorgeous. So some of it's literally carved out of the rock. So what I want you to do is look here. And when I zoom in, those are the handmade wooden screws along the wall there where they would actually make olive oil. And that's all still left in there, which is so incredible. So here's a close-up of, you can see where they have the racks. And then down here you can see where the oil would actually come out and it would accumulate. And then they would have buckets where they would grab all the oils. So all of these were presses, olive presses. You can see the blocks of wood. So it gives you an idea. And this was a place where they produced a lot of olive oil.
And we got a 4-cheese pizza. And this is a crudo aiolo, which is arugula, prosciutto, mozzarella, parmesan, and olive oil. Awesome.